So we are at the Queensland Academy for Health Sciences with Griffith University for the STEM Trivia Challenge for 2017.
Ready? Give us a smile. Now in the true spirit of competition, let's get ready to rumble! Question 1. What is whale skin called?
It's just been really good to have them interact with so many other students from other schools as well, in a different atmosphere as well. Like they're all here for one reason, like they're all here for a challenge and kind of break up the trivia challenge as well. So like there's those different rounds that they have to do all based on your science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And then once they get through that, they'll do like heads and tails games, and it's just so fun and interactive.
Really good atmosphere, yeah. A lot of yelling, you could really tell there's a lot of collaboration going on, and just, yeah, really fun overall.